Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting straight to the controls. Open the app or browser where display ads appear and sign into the account that manages them. Once done, go to Settings, look for Ads, Privacy, or Personalization. Those labels vary. You need to confirm which account or device is active because ad controls can be account-specific. Make sure to note linked accounts and browser extensions. They can override settings. Now you're ready to change ad delivery at the source. Next, you disable personalization so ads stop targeting you. Find the Ad Personalization or Interest-Based Ads toggle and switch it off. On platforms like Google or Facebook, follow the opt-out prompts. These changes remove profile-driven targeting. Then clear ad-related cookies and site data because stored cookies re-enable profiles. Don't forget to inspect browser extensions and mobile apps. Some inject display ads even after opt-out. Finally, you add blocking and verify the outcome. Install a reputable ad blocker or enable built-in tracking protection in your browser. This stops most remaining display ads. Then test in an incognito window and on other devices to confirm changes took effect across accounts. If ads persist, check for linked accounts, synced settings, or a VPN that routes through ad-filled servers. These often reintroduce ads. Troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable extensions one by one to isolate any ad injector.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.